Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zynga Poker on PC. Open your browser, go to the Zynga site or download the Facebook app, and sign in with your account. Use keyboard and mouse for navigating tables, adjust game settings for sound and graphics, and buy chips via secure checkout if needed. Practice low-stakes tables to learn betting, folding, and reading opponents before moving to higher stakes confidently. First, make sure your PC meets minimum requirements and has a stable internet connection. Download Zynga Poker from the official site or the Facebook app and run the installer. Sign in with your account, enable necessary permissions, and connect a payment method if you plan to buy chips. Adjust audio, graphics, and table settings for comfort, and link friends to find their tables quickly. Try keyboard shortcuts to speed up bets and toggles. Learn the hand rankings and basic poker terms before sitting down at any table. Observe one or two hands to watch bet timing, common player moves, and bluff patterns. Start with conservative bets, fold early when unsure, and manage your chip stack to avoid big swings. Use chats sparingly, watch for tells, and gradually increase stakes as you gain confidence and consistent wins. Review hand histories to spot leaks and improve decision-making between sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.